Let us review few things about the numeric slider. Under params, open up input, and there you find it. Drag and drop one of these. Number one, I love to stretch the numeric slider. I can right click and enter or type any questions that I need from the user, like enter X. Second, right there, edit. We can set it to numbers with decimal places, and you can set the decimal place over here. You can set it to whole numbers, numbers without decimal places, also even or odd numbers. In this case, I'm going to leave it to integers. And very important, the domain. It goes from double click, type 1, hit enter, up to, let's say, 12, and select the green check. And the domain now goes from 1 to 12. If I hit OK, notice that you can move the slider from left to right, and there you have from 1 to 12. Perfect. The second way you can make a numeric slider is you double click on the canvas, double click, and you type 1 less than 12 and hit enter. And there you have a numeric slider from 1 to 12. The second option is double click, type 1 less than, the default will be 6 up to 26. Hit enter, and notice the default is 6, but it goes from 1 to 26. Double click. If I type, for example, from 1 to 5.0, the numeric slider will have 1 decimal place. There you go. If you do not like to type less than, here is the last option. Double click from 1.12. So it goes from 1 to 12. Very simple, very easy to use. And the last one is if you right click and you edit, you can change to only display the shape, hit OK, and there only the little dot. Right click, edit, maybe box and the number, hit OK, and there you have the box. So it's up to you how you want to use the numeric sliders. And finally, I'm going to make one from 1 to 60. Hit enter, and look what I'm going to do. Very careful. Right click, edit, expression. X multiply by 0.25. X multiply by 0.25. If I hit OK, notice 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. So if I'm working in feet and inches, this is 1/4, half, 3/4, 1 full inch. One more time. Params, input, there you find the numeric slider.